guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jillian, and today we're going to have a cleaning motivation video for you. So I'm going to be doing some cleaning around the house, so I thought I would take you guys along with me as always to give you guys some motivation of your own. And as always, you guys know I always have laundry on my to-do list, so I'm starting off with some laundry, and then I'm going to move on to dusting this little coffee/bar where I keep my alcohol and my coffee and teas. It hasn't been dusted for a while, so I definitely need to get that done.
Take it slow. These wings have yet to unfold, and I'm still healing from the last escape, crawling from the darkest place that
Does anyone else really hate this fake food, plastic food? My daughter throws them everywhere. I find them everywhere and it drives me insane. But right now I'm going to pick up all of our pool stuff. On this day we went to the pool and I threw everything at the front door once we got home so we can take a bath and shower. So now I am going to go ahead and wash everything.
what you say, me too. Shadows haunt you, so tell.
On this day, I also decided to wash our bed sheets, and I don't know what I was thinking, but I was trying to remove the bed sheets from my bed without really messing up the bed, or trying to mess up the bed as least as possible. But as you guys can see, that was impossible. I ended up just tearing the whole bed apart. But yeah, I'm just gonna take off these sheets and toss this in the wash as well.
These wings have yet to unfold, and I'm still healing from the last escape, crawling from the darkest place that I believe that you could.
Alright guys, and that is going to end my cleaning video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me while I quickly cleaned up around the house. And of course right here, I have to turn on a candle. I love turning on candles or wax melts or essential oils to make my house smell good after cleaning. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's cleaning video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you have not already. I would really love to have you be a part of my YouTube family. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Crawling from the darkest place that I believe that you could break the mold.